Good afternoon. I share with you the first partner activity, my last vacation. I went to Cauca Viejo. I was on the Lucy Farm, a weekend excellence in space to race. In company the one friends I with. I like the place. It's beautiful, with organized little and cozy. We enjoy the pool, the space, the farm, like a home, where we the chapel and the village, where we can watch the Sunday. It was planned. We had working Monday. The weather in Cauca Viejo is where you can wet to hay. A temperature de 29 and 2 degrees. For this reason, I recommend you to use sunscreen, hat or cap. According to tags, moisture constantly. Do not sport on the sun in the hour or all a day seas. The ultraviolet rays are strong. What people should do on Cauca Viejo? Visit the Cathedral de Virgin de Le Merces. Buda Carriel Paisa, original from Jericho. Have a good coffee in the area. Go to ecotourism center that area local there. What people should do, they should not have a volume for the music, since they are space to race, as well as no making other kind of noise that could disturb the other people who are going to visit the place. Thank you.